This is an oak, Acorn, Gumball, and Capsule vending machine. This base is a metal painted design, some stainless trim, metal top. Glass front panel is glass. The sides are plastic, and there's some plastic elements to the hopper. It's a larger hopper. This machine is original, complete. The key tumbler has been removed, so the screwdriver unlocks the top. And we'll take a closer look at this machine. Paint's in good shape. Definitely some wear to the chrome front. Could use a cleaning. This is a quarter machine, so we'll take a look at the carousel hopper in action. So that's working. And we'll go ahead and load it up. First we'll put in some a capsule, blue top. Then we'll put in some we'll put in another capsule, and we'll throw in a few larger jawbreakers just to see what will happen. So we kind of have a mix of some capsules and some jawbreakers. And we'll go ahead and insert the quarter and take a spin here. And it looks like a capsule came out that time. That's what was supposed to happen. We'll put another quarter in. Again, another capsule. In order to access the change, a small handle that comes up. We can lift the top off, taking the screws out. That would also lift up the bottom here. Carousel comes right off. So we access the quarters. And, well, I'll simply thread it all back together here so we can quickly finish up this demo. Let's see how easy this machine is to work with. Now the two screws that I have are right in the right and left there. I won't put them in right now, but that's basically the machine right there, and it's in working condition. Again, the bottom, quick run around the sides, plastic on each side, solid in the back, solid metal base. This machine will come fully assembled and packed well. Thanks for looking. Bye.